looking at the complaints dashboard. Now, the complaints dashboard, apart from this information, is a graphical representation of whatever data is entered into the system. So, whatever your complaint reports are, how your staff is performing, can be tracked using pie charts and graphical formats. And for that, we'll go on the default page over here, the dashboards icon, and over here, this is the page that appears for complaints. Now the first graph over here, it's tickets by category. So these are nothing but the complaint tickets by category, which is water and electricity for last week. If I wanted to see for 1 month, I can see this increase to 6 and this to 2 and so on. So I can filter this out by dates or by status over here. So if only I want to see the open complaints, this gets deleted. Apart from that, complaint escalation distribution, I can select the category over here. So under escalation, I can see only one water complaint was escalated to the first level, L1. And I can select the date range and everything else from here. For employee distribution, this is the general information that currently there are 4 electricians in the system, 3 plumbers, 1 painter, and so on. The help desk helps me track complaints between closed and opens, and this is how they calculate the average turnaround time. So for example, I'll select the category, let's say water, between the first 25 days of this month. You'll be able to see that one complaint was raised on the 25th of Feb and it got closed itself, which is why the average turnaround time has now decreased to 2 minutes. And this is how you can track your complaints and their status as well. The complaint status, again, in a pie chart format, you can see all in all there have been 21 closed complaints, 6 are currently open, 1 is on hold, 6 are in progress, and so on. And now complaint by progress in a bar chart bar graph format is the one that I can filter between months. So for example, the February of 2024 to February of 2025, that's 1 year. This is a bar chart where I can see in this month there were 2 closed complaints, 3 closed in May, and so on. So these colors reflect their status, and this is how you can track the numbers which are over here. Apart from that, my escalations, I can see that historically we have done 2 level 2 escalations and 9 have been level 1 escalations. Category wise aging, so you can see that under water there has been only one complaint that was aged between 13 to 30, and if I select the dates as 1st to the 25th, I'll be able to see in electricity there have been 3 complaints while aging and so on. So this is just a graphical representation of the data that the system gets concerned to the complaints module. And most of our charts have the option to get complaint reports. So the cloud button over here can be used to export all the information you see in the form of an Excel sheet. So we'll be able to derive an Excel sheet and see the information in an Excel format. So this was all for complaints. Thank you.